Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Water Secretion Biomod in Subnautica 2. For this biomod, you are going to need to scan the ever-so-fragile water slug. Of course, this small animal needs no introduction, since it's one of the first that we meet at the start of the game. They're pretty much everywhere, so you won't have any trouble trying to find some. Once you got the biomod after you're done scanning, when you equip it, you can now passively create water from your character. From my testing, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the filtered water packet to be produced, which is quite a shame since it only replenishes 5 water, and the weight alone cost me 10 water, which is a net negative of 5. So it's not really a good biomod overall in my opinion, and that's about it on how to unlock Water Secretion Biomod in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.